I wanted to film a video quickly on an unboxing of the Spellbinder Paper Arts Value Club, and at the end of this video will be the information that you need in order to enter for the giveaway. The reason why I purchased this value box, which I think is about $100, is because the value is really good. And the reason why I did this value club versus, I don't know, I did Simon Says stamp for a long time. I did Hero Arts. I think there's Brutus something. Oh, I can't remember now. There were several of them that I toyed with. Love from Lizzie is another one. And I guess over time I got tired of the same types of stamps always coming out. Basically through Simon Says Stamp is really big with that. When I knew I was going to start filming this YouTube channel, and again, most of the reason why I'm doing the YouTube channel is because I'm crafting in any way, and I just thought for fun I would film it. So my goal is to have fun. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of the card kit of the month. So part of me is very excited about getting these kits again. I've gotten the Spellbinders card kits. I have never really gotten all of these in the past. But you get some envelopes, and that looks a little tweaked. Not the greatest boxing. But I know that they cut down their size of their card kits, if I remember right. They made the papers, I think, smaller. I'm trying to remember. Trying to make them a little bit more affordable. Economical, maybe. So we're going to take a quick look at the paper. Looks like there's strawberries. My guess is everything is flowery or gardeny. And of course everything coordinates so that they are interchangeable. It's like peaches, wood, grain, more flowers, plaids, sunshine, oh, pears. Oh, that's cute. More plaid. These are little fancy sunglasses. Cherries. Looks like jams, jellies. Stripes. Little hearts. More flowers. Kindness, sweetness, good times, laughter, happiness, joy, sunshine, smiles. It's pretty. Strawberries, and then there are some more plants. And then the cardstock looks like pinks, maybe some corals or peach color, green, blue, light blue, and a medium blue. So those are the cardstocks that you get with the kit. Looks like about a bronze color of sequins. The usual, you get a little bit of foam square and a little bit of the tape, adhesive tape, and some puffy stickers. Hello Sunshine, the best yet, happy birthday, my main squeeze, grow with the flow. And there's going to be saws and dogs barking here, so sorry about that. Especially Gidget, she's just a little barker. Thank you, this makes my day. Be right, be you, celebrate, hooray. Sweet, lovely, kind. Let's make memories, sweetest hugs. You could use some of these for Valentine's Day too if you wanted, looks like. Almost all occasion there. And you get some numbers and letters that you can use. This tells you what you get: 8 cards and envelopes, 20 card panels, pattern paper, die-cut shapes, puffy sentiments, chipboard. That was the word I was looking for. Chipboard stickers, chipboard alphabet, chipboard embellishments, sequins, foam squares, and adhesive tape. They give you some examples of cards. And then this is another package of the chipboard stickers. Gidgey. Yeah, she's barking at the contractor. And I am not going to go through all of these because that would take a really long time. Well, and I will end up spilling most of them anyway. This is the 3D embossing folder of the month, which is 3D patchwork. I don't know whether you can see that, really pretty. This is what it looks like. This is the embossing folder of the month. Seamless floral background. Also very pretty. This is the large die of the month. Punch and pierce frame and sentiment. And this is the stitch die of the month, which I'm really excited about because I'm a stitcher. So I'm hoping to really have fun with these particular dies of the month. I'm not particularly excited about this one as much as I have seen some in the past. I think there was one like a pocket with flowers in it. There were some other ones that I thought looked really cute. And I may go back and purchase some of those later if I have fun doing some of these more simpler ones. And this is the small die of the month, punch and pierce borders. Pretty intricate. And this is the clear Stampin' Die of the month, which is the Friendship Garden, which goes with the clear stamp of the month, Friendship Garden. Very pretty. Use them together. You're a wonderful friend. Thanks for just being you. Hello, you. Happy birthday to you. It would be fun to watercolor that. And last is the Glimmer of the Month panel, which is the Glimmer Leaf panel. So this will be for the giveaway. And I knew that I would be getting this along with everything else which comes with the value club of the month, which I was okay with, but I don't have any plans at the moment of purchasing a glimmer plate or whatever it's called, the hot glimmer plate where you use these. I mean, at this time. There may be at some point that I decide I might want to try it down the road, but for me it's just another piece of equipment that I don't know if I'm going to use that much, and I don't know really if I want to spend the money on it to begin with. So for the time being, I'm going to be giving one of these away every month when I get my value kit. So if you watch my unboxings every month for the value kit of the month for the Spellbinders, at the end of each one of those videos will probably be a giveaway for the Glimmer of the Month. And again, this is for April. And I will probably do a random drawing around the 15th of May for this glimmer plate. And if you're interested in it, you will need to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment. And then when I pick the winner randomly, I will notify you, and then you can let me know how I can send this panel to you.